This AI video got over 200 million views. Here's how you can make one. Imagine creating videos that look so realistic that millions of people believe they were made by a professional animation studio. That's exactly what's happening with these miniature construction videos. One of them has already passed 200 million views, and almost nobody realizes they're made with AI. Today, I'm going to show you the exact workflow used to create these videos using AI tools. No expensive 3D software, no animation experience, and no complicated editing. Just a simple process you can follow step by step. And yes, this niche is monetizable. Proof this niche works. Before we begin, let's look at some real examples. This channel has grown to nearly 241,000 subscribers by posting almost nothing except miniature construction videos. Another channel in the same niche has grown to over 3.7 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, one of these channels is estimated to earn anywhere from $8,100 to over $130,000 per month. While these are estimates rather than confirmed earnings, one thing is clear. There is massive demand for this type of content, and the opportunity is huge. Step 1. Generate your video idea with ChatGPT. Everything starts with ChatGPT. If you ask for a simple idea, you'll usually get generic results. Instead, I use a specially designed prompt that tells ChatGPT to think like a professional miniature construction designer. This generates detailed visual descriptions that AI video generators understand perfectly. If you'd like this exact prompt, comment "prompt" below and I'll send it to you. After pasting the prompt into ChatGPT, click Generate. Within seconds, you'll receive 10 unique miniature construction ideas. Each idea also includes image prompts, video prompts, 4 connected scenes that tell a complete story. For this tutorial, I'll choose idea number 1. Let's copy the image prompt for scene 1. Step 2. Create the first image in Google Flow. Open Google Flow and create a new project. In the Settings panel, select Image Generation. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Keep the scale at 1:1. Choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Now paste the image prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll have an incredibly realistic miniature construction image. This image will become the starting frame for your video. Step 3. Animate the image. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Back inside Google Flow, hover over your generated image. Click the menu. Select Animate. This keeps the style and characters perfectly consistent. Use these settings. Video mode, aspect ratio, 9:16, scale, 1:10 model, Omni Flash, duration, 8 seconds. Paste the video prompt. Click Generate. After rendering, play the clip. You'll immediately notice the realistic movement, smooth camera motion, and detailed miniature effects. But here's the secret that keeps every scene perfectly connected. Step 4. The professional consistency trick. Play the video until the final frame. Just before it ends, click Save Frame. Google Flow saves that final frame as a new image. Instead of creating scene 2 from scratch, use this saved frame as the starting image. This creates seamless transitions between scenes and keeps every detail consistent. Now, click the saved frame, press Animate, paste the scene 2 video prompt, generate the next clip. Repeat this exact process for scene 3 and scene 4. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Once all 4 scenes are finished, download every clip. Open CapCut. Import all 4 videos. Within just a few minutes, you'll have a polished AI-generated miniature construction video ready to upload. Look at that. The camera movements are incredibly smooth. The construction process looks realistic. Every tiny detail feels handcrafted, and the transitions between scenes are almost impossible to notice. The entire project was created using AI with a simple, repeatable workflow. That's exactly why this niche is exploding across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. The best part is that you can repeat this process endlessly. Build tiny houses, miniature bridges, fantasy castles, luxury villas, underground bunkers, tree houses, entire miniature cities. You'll never run out of ideas. Conclusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI workflows, YouTube automation strategies, and viral content ideas. Also, leave a comment below telling me which AI niche you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.